Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect to Amazon Music via JBL Authentics app. To play Amazon Music on JBL Authentics app, go to JBL One app that you can download on App Store or Google Play Store. Then after connecting to your speaker, click on it and click on in-app music. Then enable Amazon Music. Go back and now you can click on Amazon Music and log into it. Then you'll be able to play the music. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.